Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in SaxoTrader account. SaxoTrader is one of the professional trading platform for active traders and investors. To log into SaxoTrader, first open your SaxoTrader application on your mobile phone. After you open your application, here you can see your login box. Now here you can see if you don't have your account, you can click on sign up now option and create one. To log in, you need to first enter your user ID on the given user ID box. After that, you need to enter your correct password of your account. Similarly, if you want all your credentials to be remembered, click on remember me box. Then if you don't remember your user ID, then you can click on forgot user ID. If you don't remember your password, click on forgot password and you can continue with further process of reviving your user ID and password. Similarly, you can also log into your demo account. To do that, click on log in on demo account option. With that, continue with the further process to log in. Similarly, once view through disclaimers, as by logging in you agree to disclaimers of Saxo Group. After you enter all your credentials, now click on login option. With this, you'll be able to log into your SaxoTrader account. This is how we can log in SaxoTrader account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.